Over 20 lessons, I'll take you from building your first production-ready test automations framework right through to implementing a self-healing agentic test maintenance system. In this Intro to Agentic Testing course, I'm going to teach you two game-changing systems for automated testing. The first is how to build production-ready test automation frameworks in under 1 hour using the PRP system. And that's a 4-step process taking you from an idea right through to building and seeing your AI agent execute your tests in your framework from start to finish in under 1 hour. And system 2, building self-healing test loops that maintain your tests with the PTP system, where your AI agent is smart enough to work out if a test is broken and needs fixing, or if it's an application bug and you need to raise the documentation. With these two systems, we really are at a point where TDD can operate at the acceptance testing level. So over the course of 6 modules and 20 lessons, I want to take you from building that first framework right through to developing that agentic test maintenance log. Sign up using the form below.